To get started, create a free email account. Open your emails and start reading them after that. You get compensated for reading and opening emails. This is accessible worldwide and is free. To check your email inbox on your computer or smartphone once every day, all you need is a few minutes and no special knowledge or abilities. Without missing a beat, make sure to watch the complete video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel before we begin. This is a new website that gives users a fresh method of making money with their emails. By using any of the email addresses, you can practically start making money with the Lydic for nothing. They presently have over 26,000 members and over 300 online members. They actively read and open emails to make money. Their payment practices are transparent. You can see that people from all over the world have received more than $2,000. The process is as follows. To make a free account, all you have to do is click on this green Register button. Visit this page right away to create an account. It's simple as pie to enter your login, email, password, and password confirmation. You can just leave the referral box blank since it is optional. This step is crucial. If you don't finish it properly, you might not get any emails and won't be able to make any money. They're going to instinctively recognize you right here. Here it reads, to ensure that you receive all of our emails and don't miss any premium emails. This is crucial because if the email is occasionally lost in the spam folder or you don't receive it, you'll lose out on several opportunities to earn money. Verify that your contact list includes this email address. You can use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Live, or Hotmail to read the emails on their website and get paid. Gmail offers a better email service and is widely used worldwide, thus I strongly suggest using it. You should pay close attention since you will click the star icon to mark emails as favorites once you receive them. You receive more emails as a result of doing that, which helps you increase your online income. The first piece of advice I can give you is this. The second piece of advice is to scan the email after scrolling down to find the reply button. They sent you an email, therefore you should reply to it so that they can see it. You read emails frequently, therefore you will continue to get compensated emails in the future. Simply click the reply button and type, "Hello," or "I received an email." Another benefit of doing this is that occasionally emails may end up in the spam folder, which could result in you missing certain sponsored emails and losing money. One more bonus that I want to share with you. Sometimes, you could receive an email that contains advertising. When you get the email, you need to click the link button to continue. You will then proceed to the business's official website after that. Make sure you stay at least 30 seconds after you arrive. Again, nothing requires clicking. You don't even need to take any action to stay on the page for 30 seconds and aren't required to register or pay anything. If you receive a promotional email, you simply need to do that. Volatice.com provides us with the possibility to refer people and earn money in addition to reading emails. They offer up to 6 levels of commission, and you may also gain an additional $1 for each referral you send their way. That's it for today. If you liked the video, smash the like button.